You know, the only part of our kit that needs soldering is the switch to the battery snap. And so I solder it for you. That way you can just put it together. The breadboard just pushes together. It's pretty easy to put everything together into the breadboard. And the switch and the battery snap needs to be soldered together. That way you have a good connection with your battery. You wouldn't want to just bend wires together and let them be all janky. So this allows anybody with limited equipment to build a Hulda Zapper. And they already have the battery snap and the switch soldered together.